you could be happy, I think. Oh no. And I'm burping up slugs again, the words come out wrong. I don't really know what I'm saying. I think I'm asleep and I stare at my feet and hope that the face doesn't show it. But if I could give to you and give you the world, all I can give is my love. Remember at the Yule ball, did your hair all pretty, and you look so pretty, but I didn't think it was you. I mean, it's not to say that you weren't just gorgeous, but I just kind of like you, normal. And the scum mixture from, well, you should have gone with them. Should have gone with me because I would have been so much better. You know, I don't want to be with sloppy seconds, okay?